Number one, always ask for a commission bump. So every time you want to promote an offer, send an email to the vendor and simply ask them kindly and with humility to give you a commission bump. So you could write something like, "Hi, my name is Ryan. I would love to promote your product. Look like a great product. Do you mind giving me a commission bump? That will really help." And if you just ask, you will actually probably get a commission bump. So always ask before you promote any offer. Number two, if you have a promotion that's doing really, really well, like you send a couple of emails and you're doing a lot of sales with that affiliate offer, an easy way to maximize that promotion is to simply schedule again the same email in a month. Go back to your email autoresponder and just reschedule the same email in a month and forget about it. It's an easy way to get more sales in a month. Number three, add a bonus. So the way I do it is usually I would take the email swipe of the vendor and I will add a PS that says something like, when you get so-and-so product, you will also get, and I will insert the name of my bonuses and I will say, just forward me your receipt. Simple, it's like 2-3 lines and it will boost your sales. I guarantee it. I've been doing this for years. Simply add your bonus in the PS. Number four, use what happened in the news. So if you watch the news and there's something that's happening, try to link that news to the product. For example, right now there's inflation going on, so if your product help people maybe make more money or improve their finances or their business, try to type in that product to something you've seen in the news. And one thing you can do it is to simply add a screenshot of a headline you've seen, and you could say something in your email, "Hey, I just stumbled on that article," put that screenshot and then insert the promotion of the product. And I think it says something like, "I believe that might help you." That's it. It's very effective and it's really a great way to actually link the product to something happening in the news. Number five, make sure to email everybody who didn't open your email promotion. So you go to your email autoresponder and go to create a segment with the unopened and make sure to send a different email promotion or the same email promotion with a different subject line. It's a great way to grab more commission and sales. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to like this video and to subscribe, and let me know which strategy are you going to use in your next promotion. Write it in the comment and I will talk to you soon. Take care.